Hello everyone, let's start the videos for this one. Make the half ponytail and then make 4 sections on the bottom and do it as shown in the video. Now take the ponytail and make a cute little bun with the help of a bun stick and tie it very nicely and gently, and then put some cute little accessories and tie it. It's done. For the next one in the video, take the two ponytails and take the bun stick. Now make a cute little bun out of it very nicely and gently and attach it on the bottom. Cover it with your hairs on both the sides. Now put some accessories on it and it's all done. For the next one in the video, make half ponytail. Now do it as shown in the video on the bottom and then attach it to the ponytail. Now take the ponytail and make a cute little bun out of it with the help of a bun stick. Cover your hairs very nicely and gently. Put some accessories on it, tie the ribbon very nicely and it's done. For the next one in the video, start making the cute little braids on the front side by taking the smaller sections from the front side only. Keep doing it until it comes to the bottom and then tie it with the help of a rubber band. It will look like this. Take it all together, make it into a ponytail. Now take the ponytail and do it as shown in the video, tie it and it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one in the video, take the front section of your hair and tie it. Now take a clip, attach it and start making the cute little braid out of it as it is shown in the video with the help of a clip. It will look like this. Bring it all together, make it into a ponytail. Now keep braiding your hairs till the bottom and then tie it with the help of a rubber band. It's done. For the next one in the video, make two ponytails and then do it as shown in the video. Now start making the cute little bun out of your ponytail with the help of a bun stick and it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then take a bun stick. Now roll it inside out and then start rolling your hairs very nicely and gently with the help of a bun stick. Do it as shown in the video. Complete your bun stick and then it will look like this. Complete it and it's done. For the next one in the video, take the front section of your hair and divide it into 3 parts. Now start braiding your hair very nicely and gently and braid it till the bottom. Repeat the whole process as it will look like this. Now take the colorful beads and attach it to the braids we have made earlier. Now it will look like this. Open the ponytail and then make a cute little high ponytail out of it and it's done. Thanks for watching.